Welcome to this Fabricville tutorial. Today we are going to see how to set plastic snaps fasteners with prim pliers. These snaps are easy to apply, request no sewing, and are perfect for kids' clothes. A pair of snaps is composed of 4 pieces, the male and female pieces, and the top parts with a prong that will be placed on the other side of the fabric. It's important to interface the part of the fabric where the snaps will be applied and to mark their exact place. I prepare my pliers with the right accessories, a small silicone piece and a large white plate. I start with the male part of the snap. I puncture the fabric with the prong on the right side of the garment. I put the male part of the snap on the other side and I'm going to attach it with the pliers. I place the exterior piece on the white plate. The silicone and metal tool will flatten the prong and attach the snap. I'm going to repeat these steps for the opposite part, this time placing the female part of the snap on the right side of the fabric and the prong part on the wrong side. And that's it for our plastic snaps fasteners. Thanks for watching.